minute walk. Let's start by warming up. A few quick reminders. Please make sure you're wearing good, comfortable shoes. And anything I do or say is just a suggestion. This is your walk. This is your time. So adjust the pace and the moves to meet your body where it is at today. So let's extend our arms and do a few quick arm circles. And meet back in March. What's different about today's walk is you're going to be throwing in a lot of punches, and I kind of really find it de-stressing and calming. So I hope you like it too. If for whatever reason you don't enjoy throwing punches, feel free to change your arm moves to have your hands open at any time I'm showing a punching move. Alright, so for our first move, let's take a side stance. We're going to punch with the arm in front, with the hand in front, leaning into the front, right? So you could just lean in, or you could add a little hop, a little leap. So let's do 8 of these. 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in our march. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to do it twice slowly just so that we can get a hang of the move. And then we will do 8 more reps, alright? So let's get set on the other side. And with the front arm, we're going to be punching. So it could be something like this. Or you could add in a little leap. 8. 8. Let's meet back in March. I'm sorry, I forgot to give you guys a countdown. So sorry about that. Next time I'll be more mindful. Let's meet back in our march. For our next move, and you know what? When we are marching, right? Let's also try and march with like an out, out, in, just to kind of make it more fun. So sometimes we can do the regular march, and sometimes we can go out, out, in, just to make it a little more fun. Alright, now for our next move, right? Let's do side taps and throw in arm punches or arm extensions. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get back in march. For our next move, we're going to be taking a side stance again, but this time we're going to be punching with the arm at the back. So punch with the arm at the back, and then when you take the arm back, bring the front knee up. So punch with the arm at the back, reset, and bring the knee up. It could be a gentle knee raise, it could be a high knee raise, or anywhere in between. So punch with the arm at the back, bring the front knee up. Let's do 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in march. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we'll do 2 reps slowly, and once we are in the rhythm, we'll do 8 more. So let's position ourselves, and we're punching with the arm at the back, and when we bring it back, we raise the knee up. It could be a gentle lift as well. Alright, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's meet back in march. For Our next move, we're going to be doing side steps, and we're going to add in punches going across, or if you want, you could just do arm extensions. So, join me. Are you having fun? I'm loving this walk. You know, this was supposed to be a 5-minute video when I first started planning it, but then I felt that was just not enough. So I hope you're having fun. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in March. And now we're going to repeat it from the top. I hope you're having fun. So for our first move, you can either do front kicks or join me as we take a side stance. And right now we're kicking with the arm in front. 7, 5, 3, 1. Let's meet back in March and let's repeat the same thing on the other side now. Punching with the front arm. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in our march. Our next move was side steps with arm extensions or punches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in a march. For the next move, we'll be taking a side stance again. And this time, you're going to punch with the hand at the back. And we're going to raise our knee up. The front knee comes up when the arm goes back. 8, 7, 5, 2, 1. Let's meet back in a march. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're basically punching with the back arm, and when we do a reset for the arm, we are raising the front knee. So 8, 7, 6, 4, 2, 1. All right, let's be back in march. For our next move, we are doing side steps, and I am throwing in punches, but you can also just do arm extensions. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's be back in march. Let's start marching in place. Let's start cooling down. Let's bring our arms out to a T. Press the arm in, one at a time. Do some wrist rolls, both directions. Do some shoulder rolls. Do remember to stretch before you move on with your day. Do some calf stretches, some hamstring stretches. Oopsie. Wherever needed, feel free to use a chair for support. In this video here, I share another 10-minute walk with no equipment, and in this video here, I share a 15-minute walk with optional dumbbells. I hope to see you there.